July 10th in the morning. Here are our boys. Aren't they precious? We're all alone at the beach. What's going on? Water. What is that, Kai? That's right, water. Where's your shovel? There it is. Look at you. And Cass. Say hi, Cass. Hi. A dog came to the beach and ran past him, and he's got this huge reaction on his back. I don't know if we're going to have to leave. Look at that. I don't know if we're going to have to leave to go get some Benadryl. It's frustrating. We're supposed to be on leashes. Let me see you throw a rock, Pumpkin.